You stand in front of a door. It says English. You've seen people go through it. They speak fluently, confidently, naturally. But when you try to open it, it won't move. You've watched videos. You've downloaded apps. You've memorized words. You've tried hard. Really hard. And yet, the door stays closed. And slowly you start to ask yourself, maybe I'm not good at languages. Maybe something's wrong with me. But nothing is wrong with you. The problem isn't you. It's the traps that keep the door locked. Invisible traps that hold millions of English learners in the same place. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to talk to you about the 3 most important traps that keep you stuck and making very slow progress. Welcome to your English toolbox. Please, don't fall into these traps. Trap number 1. I just need more vocabulary. This one sounds smart. It makes sense. More words, more English, right? So you start collecting. Lists, apps, flashcards, notebooks. Word after word after word. But when someone asks, "How are you today?" your mind goes blank. That's because learning vocabulary is not the same as using it. Knowing 5,000 words means nothing if you can't say one sentence in real life. We all get caught in this same trap. How do you escape from that? Speak out loud, even if it's simple. Even if you only know 5 words, use them. Say something. Every day. Learning English is not about filling your brain. It's about training your mouth and your ears. You don't need to know every word. You need to use the ones you already know. Trap number 2. I'll speak when I'm ready. This is the comfort trap. You feel like you need more time. You want to be prepared. You wait for the perfect day. But the truth is, that day never comes. Speaking is scary. You might forget a word. You might make a mistake. You might feel embarrassed. But guess what? That's how everyone starts. Speaking is like riding a bicycle. You fall. You wobble. You look silly. But if you keep going, you'll learn balance. Don't wait to be perfect. Don't wait to feel ready. Speak now. Messy is better than silent. You become fluent by speaking, not by waiting. Trap number 3. I'm not improving. Maybe I'm just not good at this. The comfort zone trap. This is the trap that makes people quit. You've been studying for months, maybe even years, but your progress feels slow. You don't understand fast English. You get stuck in conversation. You make the same grammar mistakes. And then the little voice comes. Maybe English just isn't for me. But that's a lie. The truth? You're probably working hard, but not in the right way. Most learners do too much passive learning. They watch, they read, they listen, but they don't use the language. Real improvement comes from using English. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Write short paragraphs. Repeat what you hear in videos. After every lesson, ask, how can I say this in my own words? Push your brain to create. That's when things start to change. Let's look back at the 3 traps. Number 1, collecting vocabulary but never using it. Number 2, waiting for the perfect moment to speak. Number 3, believing you're the problem when it gets hard. Stop passive learning and start using English. You're not the problem. You're just stuck in the traps. But now you can see them. And that means you can escape. And when you escape them, that heavy door, it doesn't just open by magic. You open it with your effort, with your voice, with your practice. Even when no one sees you, behind that door is your English voice. Not perfect, but real. Not fast, but growing. Please, don't stop now. And please stop doing these mistakes. You're closer than you think. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to your English Toolbox for more videos to come.